Okay, we're looking at just a frame of brood, and the most thing I'd just like to show you is the male bee, which is a drone, and there's the queen. She's not greatly marked, so she's going around the top there, so I just have to be careful with her. But you can see the queen on this frame, so I'm just going to be careful. I'm going to drop her into the box, and she's there beside the drone. So there's the drone, and that's not actually her mother. Would you believe it? It's hard to explain it, but this is a lovely quiet queen. Okay, so we're going to drop her in, and again they're native Irish black bees, which we're very proud of. And we're just going to have a look at the pattern that she made, this queen. So again, a super pattern, and what we mean by pattern, this is all actually young bees that's going to hatch in the next week or two. So this hive is going to expand very, very much in the next coming days. It couldn't be in a nicer place here at Turlough House. Alright, so we're still here at Turlough House in Castlebar. As you can see, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're on the last nook that has to be transferred into a hive. So everything has been going fairly well. We have no problems really or issues yet. So all we do is just a gentle small in the hive, and we're going to lift it up, and Teresa can have a look what's inside the nook box, so we know are they fit to go into a hive or not. And as you can see, they're up on 3-4 frames of brood, and we probably won't be here for a week or two, so it might be as well just to put them in into the hive. And as you can see, once again, they're lovely black bees that we have. So we can lift up the we're going to lift up the brood box, as we call it, and we have already put in some frames into it. So that's it. So what we're going to do now is just show you the frames to the back, and we're going to start just very slowly and calm. So these aren't too cross or anything. Just we have to be gentle. So this frame is not drawn. We're actually only on 3 frames, but regardless, we're still going to put them in. And as you can see, these are all nurse bees starting to draw out this frame. This was a brand new frame that we got, fully drawn out. So I can see eggs and larvae in this at all stages. Now there's no sealed brood, so it's less than 8 days old really. It's probably less than 12 days old. I just want to, this hive is going to expand very, very quickly. Again, a lovely frame of brood. Okay. Now I see a queen cup, so I just want to investigate if there are any larvae in it, but I don't think there is. So I don't see the queen. Smoke the holly blade. She is passionate. She's red queen from last year again. And the smoke would have probably driven her off that frame that she was actually on. the last frame. Now, even though we have black bees, you can see I'm seeing a kind of a one yellow bee in all that group there. Look at there. So it's hard to try and keep them all black. You can see there's one yellow bee in all that cluster, so from genetics it's very hard. It's getting smaller now. So that's it. So we get the crown board now. What we do is we give this a good hard shake for one spot. And the bees are fluffy, so. And the most important thing is to move this away, far away, because the bees will still smell that box as their hive. And so that's it for today. We've successfully installed the bees in Turlough. As you can look around, they couldn't be in a nicer place. You can see the original house is over here, and these bees should have a great time with it. So that's it, and thanks very much to Seamus and all the people here at Turlough House that allowed this to happen. As you can see, we have 2 decoy hives here. They're set up for every year swarms which should come into this house. So as a result of that, we decided to put the bees here as well. So that's it. Thanks very much. All right.